Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix your iPhone is overheated on your iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. We can fix it. So let me start it. We have actually four methods. So the first one is portable. You need to turn off your auto brightness. And before getting into this, why this issue is happening? So this is because of the main reason here in the brightness. So if the brightness is one of the main reason why your iPhone 16, 16 Plus, or even the 16, 16 Pro Max, and all these things are getting really much heated up. So the first one, we have a turn off the auto brightness. Then I will hit in the settings. Now from here, what we need to do is go over here and accessibility. And from here, there is an option called display and text size. Tap on this one. And if you scroll down, you can see there is an option called auto brightness, which is turned on. This is one of the main reason. Just turn this off. That's all we have to do. And moving to the second step is on we have to make a few changes in the display and brightness. So just go over here in the display and brightness. And now as you can see, the display is being set into a minimum. So even if you keep this to the maximum like this, you will be having the issue. So if you keep this to nowhere, you will be having the trouble as you will not be able to see. So try keeping the display in the minimum rate if you're not logging in the indoor. So if you're going outdoor and if you're on the outside, we can set this to the maximum. So keep only this particular thing in the maximum if you're on the outside. Or if you're on the inside or within the home, you can set this to the minimum. Only can do this according to the configuration or according to preferences. And that's what you have to do. Third step is auto. You have to keep an eye on the auto lock. That is also one of the reasons. So just go over here in the display and brightness. And if you scroll down, you can see over here the auto lock has been set into 5 minutes. So that means my iPhone is going to on for the 5 minutes every time. So even though if I'm not using it is on, the display is on for the 5 minutes, which is draining out air, which is causing the auto lock. So set when this 5 minutes, you can either set it with 13 seconds, when I can move to the 1 minute. So let me keep this 13 seconds, which is a good practice. So keep this to 13 seconds. Last and the least step is vulnerable. We have to turn off the manual app refresh. So just go over here on the jumper and go over here as you can see. Under the background app refresh. So as you can see, this turn it on tap on this one. So actually this is turn it on. So what we need to do is this turn this off. And once afterwards, most probably the old heating issue on your phone will become again fixed out. So I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.